How to leave a group chat in Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave a group chat on Facebook Messenger step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to find and open the group page which you want to leave. And now here, once you're inside the group, just tap on the group name at the top of the screen. And now here, once you are in the group info page, this is where you can see members, medias, and all the settings of that group. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as Leave Chat. So here, simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on Leave again. And once you do this, you'll be removed from the group and you won't receive any more messages or notification from it. And that's it. That's how you can leave a group chat in Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.